In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendgrid for beginners. In order to do that, first head over to sendgrid.com and proceed to click onto this Start for Free option in order to create an account. If you already have one, proceed to click onto the Sign In option in order to sign in. You can also view right here the subscriptions as well as the plan that they offer by clicking onto the See Plans and Pricing. So let's head over and proceed, and I'll show you what Sendgrid can offer. As you have noticed, SendGrid can actually help send the actual email that you have. SendGrid serves as an SMTP or simple mail transfer protocol, which is a method through internet server that you can send email through your Gmail account or other domains that you actually have. So SendGrid, first, create your SendGrid account, and you can see it right here. Once you have created your SendGrid account, you just need to head over to your settings in order to go over to the sender authentication. Authenticate your domain. You can also verify a single sender right here. So from in there, you can just get API keys from in here. So generate your API key that you want. And then you can use this for your dynamic templates as well as integrating it with other applications like Bubble, Go High Level, WordPress, as well as Google. Now, for example, if you want to create a dynamic template, you can head over and click on Add Version option right here in order to open the editor of your actual Zengrid. Now you can also get blocks, bounces, or spam by Sendrig's API, so make sure to take note of that as well. There's also other concerns like certain reputation, so do take note that if you're sending mass emails or bulk emails that you actually take note of your sender reputation because this metric is an aggregation of your activity through their platform. So take note of that as well. So in conclusion, the actual ZenGrid is a good thing or a good application for SMTP services. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.